How to update the TikTok app on an Android phone. Hey everybody, if you are wanting to do that, you may follow up these easy steps. So head over to Play Store if you are an Android. After that, you may use the search bar from the given interface in the bottom right corner. After you tap on it, at the top you should be finding a search bar. Tap on it first. And here, type in TikTok. After that, hit search. And once you do, you will be getting the results. Tap on the results, TikTok. After you go ahead and tap on it, here, if you have any update available for your TikTok app, all you gotta do is simply tap on the update option. Here, instead of the open option, you will be finding an update option. All you gotta do is simply tap on it, and once you do, your TikTok app will be updated to the latest version on your device. So that's it for now. That is how you basically update your TikTok app on your Android phone very easily and access the new features of TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.